Okay, so we are just outside this very interesting large Cortijo type property, just literally on the outskirts of Riogordo. Okay, so there's the village right there. We've got the river where the boundary of the land comes down to here. Okay, so basically, I mean, it's all the land to the left hand side. It's a plot of 1,500 square meters. You've got beautiful rolling hills either side. And here again, the location is idyllic and so convenient. You got a park there, and literally just at the end of this bridge is the edge of the village of Riogordo. Okay, so you got the church at the top there, and obviously in the winter you can imagine a lot more water. Okay, so we're going to take a look in. So this is Cortijo del Puente. Okay. And we're talking a build size of over 354 square meters. Quite a flexible build. I just want to explain the situation here. So this belongs to the property, okay? All this area in front, but there is a right of way, okay? So you can't fence it off, but certainly for parking, there's no problem with that at all. And the majority of the plot is all fully fenced off anyway, okay? So we're gonna take a nice walk through into this beautiful courtyard now. So there we go. Okay, so possibilities and flexibility. This property has lots of them. Okay, you've got beautiful gardens. The privacy is 100% privacy. It's on its own. I say location very, very unique. So you've got a little doorway there leading upstairs to the left hand side. Essentially at the moment it's been split into two houses where you've got the two doors there, but it could be knocked through. Originally it was one huge open space downstairs, which the current owners who've had it for 18 years have basically put just a divider wall in, but it's got flexibility. It could be a restaurant, it could be a bed and breakfast, it could be 2 or 3 different apartments. There's a nice little terrace here. Okay, so this one's kind of overlooking orchards, fruit trees. There's a big, nice, good sized storeroom there. Okay, but all these trees belong to the plot. Here you get a better idea of the size of the property. Okay, you know, it's been modernised. It's got a real nice style to it. It's still kind of very Spanish. You've got vegetable garden down below there. There's 2 sheds. Let's see if we can show you the land. Yeah, again, there's that. It goes to that wall there, not to the fence. So that was a separate dog run. Very quiet. You've got the sun all day. You've got the arch bridge, the puente, as a beautiful feature. And like I say, just on the edge of a town that's got literally all amenities that you need. This is very, very interesting and quite a huge part of the value of the property. Okay, so this is a nice vine covered terrace for the shade. So in we go. Okay, so this is the main accommodation. Okay, so we've got big rooms. Okay, nice big wood burner as a feature in this particular lounge. You got the wooden doors, shuttered off windows with the wreckers as well. There are electric radiators dotted throughout the property, but again, good sized room. Structurally wise, it's all very good. You got a separate dining area. Okay, again, it's very homely and very, nicely kind of kitted out, really. Okay, so here we've got a separate kitchen. So again, that's a good size with all the granite tops, gas hob, nice floor tiles as well. And then you got that door there. That's where we just were just a minute ago. These double doors lead out onto land, which again, you've got, it's all usable land. It's all terraced, it's all flat. You've got some really nice big established fruit trees in there. And you've got the ideal spot for a pool. I'm going to show you now. It's just down here. Okay, that's the second shed. So just here where this drop off is. Okay, there you could put in an above ground pool, have it level with this terrace here, and you know, it's a nice little spot. Okay, so there's the house from the back. Okay, we'll finish off the main accommodation first. There's also a well. Okay, the pump just needs renewing. That's the well there. And then we've got vegetable gardens, you've got a nice little seating area, and that's access to this shed, okay, which is brick built. Okay, so we've got a little cloakroom we haven't done here. Again, I mean, most of the tiles, again, are kind of neutral. There's been a lot of upgrades. Water pipes been upgraded, electric's been upgraded. You're on 3-phase electric here. So you've got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So nice like landing area. Again with a balcony overlooking the plot and the views. Look at that for a view. Obviously in the winter that's all green to the village. So you got storage in those wardrobes there. So a bedroom, this is one ensuite. Okay, so you've got a good sized shower there, the curtains. Obviously glass screen could be put in. But again, neutral kind of white tiles, fitted wardrobes as well. Plenty of unit space, storage. Quite a nice balustrade over the stairs there. Okay, so this is the general toilet and bathroom. She's got a full-size bath. Bedroom number 2. Again, that's an electric oil radiator. The fitted wardrobes, matching doors. Kind of the typical kind of Spanish colour and finish. And then this here is kind of the master bedroom, where again, plenty of windows. I mean, you've got patio doors onto a balcony. Look at that view. Unbelievable. That's over the first courtyard. Good size. You've got air conditioning, fitted wardrobes, and then ensuite shower and toilet. Okay, so that's the main property, let's say, and then that's only half the property. Okay, so we're going to go back down. Nice archway there to the front door, and then in through into the second part of the accommodation. Okay, so this wall here, that could be knocked through, so you could have a really big lounge, like I say, restaurant. It's got lots of possibilities. You got a gas fireplace in there, and then this again knocks through into a separate dining area similar to next door. Okay, we've got the tiled walls. another fire, but structurally it's all sound. Okay, this one's got a smaller kitchen, but it's all granite top still. So great for family members or renting out, and then that's got its own access down onto a fenced plot. Okay, and then I'll show you upstairs. Okay, so this one is, I gotta say, I mean, the price, there's the separate door access here. Okay, so that's already in if you wanted to make a nice little apartment up here, which would be the third living quarters. The price originally on this property was €475,000. Okay, so this is another bedroom. And as of today, the price has just been lowered by €50,000 to €425,000. Okay, at this price and this size and this location, this property is going to sell. Okay, another shower room. So this one's like got two bedrooms essentially. This one's ensuite. Again, nice white tiles. Another shower. And then you've got the terrace at the end. Look at that. Okay, so this is Cortijo del Puente. Very interesting property. Great location, Riogordo. You have a well, there's mains water, 3-phase electric, large build, great plot, 1,500 square meters, all usable land. Very nicely kind of landscaped and planted. And you're literally walking distance. Very good access as well. So if you want further details, contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view the website VillaSolutions.net. Thank you.